Are you feeling like your desire for physical intimacy has decreased?
In this video, we'll share helpful tips and introduce a natural supplement that can help you restore your vitality and boost your well-being.
Why do you have a low desire? Have you noticed a decrease in your desire for physical intimacy? This can be a frustrating issue that affects not only your well-being, but also your relationship. Reduced desire for physical closeness can lead to feelings of frustration, stress, and disconnection between partners. Fortunately, restoring intimacy doesn't always require drastic measures. Many women find that using natural solutions, like foods and herbal supplements, can help reignite that spark. Herbal supplements, in particular, have been shown to be effective in boosting libido by supporting hormonal balance and improving overall health without relying on harsh chemicals. What are the symptoms of low drive? Lack of desire for physical intimacy. You may find yourself uninterested in engaging with your partner, even when the mood seems right. Emotional detachment. When the desire for closeness fades, emotional connections may also feel distant, making it harder to bond with your partner. Feelings of frustration or guilt. You may feel confused or upset about your lack of desire, leading to a sense of shame or disappointment in yourself. Loss of intimacy during quiet moments. The absence of intimate gestures during everyday activities could signal a deeper shift in your connection, further contributing to a reduced desire for closeness. Best natural solution for low libido in females. One of the most effective ways to address the reduced desire for physical intimacy is through natural supplements like Lady Fire Capsules. These capsules are specially formulated to help improve female libido and support overall wellness. By working with your body's natural rhythms, they help balance hormones and boost energy levels. If you're looking for a gentle, non-invasive way to restore vitality and intimacy, Lady Fire Capsules could be just what you need. Key features of Lady Fire Capsules. Purely natural supplement, Lady Fire Capsules contain only natural ingredients, making them a safe option for women seeking a holistic approach to enhancing their desire for physical closeness. No side effects. These capsules are free from harmful chemicals or synthetic additives, ensuring you can safely enjoy their benefits without worrying about any unwanted side effects. Boosts female libido. The carefully chosen herbs in Lady Fire Capsules are known to help restore the natural desire for intimacy by promoting hormonal balance and reducing stress, both of which can impact libido in women. Improves women's health and vitality. In addition to supporting libido, these capsules also help boost overall health by improving energy levels and combating fatigue, leading to better physical and emotional well-being. Foods that increase desire in females. Dark chocolate. Packed with antioxidants, dark chocolate stimulates the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin, which may naturally improve your desire for closeness. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats, avocados help improve blood flow, which is essential for physical connection and can boost your energy levels, making you feel more engaged. Oysters. Known for their high zinc content, oysters may support hormonal balance and promote increased desire for intimacy by supporting healthy testosterone levels. Ginseng. This herbal root has long been used to support vitality and energy, which can help with the decrease in the desire for closeness by rejuvenating your overall energy. Chili peppers. The capsaicin in chili peppers boosts circulation and increases heart rate, potentially raising arousal and making you feel more open to intimacy. By combining these foods with regular use of Lady Fire Capsules for 3 months, women can naturally restore their desire for physical intimacy and vitality. For a natural way to support your desire for physical closeness, try Lady Fire Capsules from naturogain.com and give your vitality the boost it deserves. If you found this video informative, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, discover how to increase female libido naturally and bring back the passion.